A lot of people believe that once you turn 18, your height is fixed, and there's nothing you can do about it. But here's something interesting. If you look at athletes, especially tennis players or fighters, you'll notice their dominant side is often more developed over time. Not just muscle, but even how their body holds structure changes. That's not genetics, that's years of repeated movement and stress. Your body is constantly adapting to how you use it, which means your structure isn't as fixed as you think, and that's where most people get it wrong. Most guys aren't actually short. They just look shorter because of bad posture, weak habits, and things they repeat every single day without noticing. So if you've been trying random height hacks and nothing's working, it's probably because you're focusing on the wrong things. Let's fix that. The biggest issue is your posture. If your shoulders are rounded, your head is pushed forward, and your back is slightly bent, you're literally shrinking your height without realizing it. And over time, your body adapts to that position. So even when you try to stand straight, it feels unnatural. That's why some people instantly look taller the moment they fix their posture. Keep it simple. Ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Pull your shoulders slightly back, lift your chest, and keep your chin neutral. Even this alone can make you look 1 to 2 inches taller. Another thing most people don't realize is that your spine is getting compressed all day. From the moment you wake up, gravity is slowly pushing everything down. Sitting for long hours, looking down at your phone, bad sleeping positions, it all adds up. By the end of the day, you're actually a bit shorter than you were in the morning. That's why stretching feels like it's adding height. What it's really doing is restoring what you already lost. Start adding simple decompression habits. Hang from a bar for 20 to 30 seconds. Do basic stretches like cobra stretch, toe touches, and cat-cow movements. These help your spine stay aligned and reduce that daily compression. It won't magically lengthen your bones overnight, but it helps you stand at your full natural height consistently. Now let's talk about something people seriously underestimate: nutrition. Your body can't grow or even maintain proper structure without the right fuel. Focus on protein-rich foods like eggs, milk, and lentils. These support overall growth and repair. Calcium from dairy and leafy greens helps strengthen your bones. Vitamin D, mainly from sunlight, helps your body actually absorb that calcium. And don't ignore minerals like zinc and magnesium. They play a big role in recovery and overall development. If your nutrition is off, nothing else works properly. Sleep is just as important. Most people overlook this, but deep sleep is when your body releases growth hormone. That's when recovery and development actually happen. If you're sleeping 4 to 5 hours and scrolling all night, you're working against your own body. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. If you're younger, you may need even more. Good sleep alone can make a visible difference in how your body looks and feels. Exercise and sports also play a role, but not in the way people think. You don't grow taller just by doing random exercises, but the right activities improve posture, coordination, and overall body alignment, which makes you look taller. Skipping is great for movement and rhythm. Swimming is one of the best because it stretches your entire body. Sports like basketball or volleyball involve jumping, which improves posture and body control. Cycling is fine too, but don't fall for myths like seat height increases height. That's not how it works. The goal is simple: move your body, stay active, and avoid becoming stiff and compressed. Your clothing also plays a bigger role than you think. You might be doing everything right physically, but if your clothes don't fit well, it ruins your proportions. Baggy outfits, low-waist pants, and poor fits break your body line, making you look shorter. Instead, go for well-fitted clothes. Not too tight, not too loose. Stick to clean lines and slightly higher-waisted pants. Monochrome outfits work really well because they create one continuous line, which instantly makes you look taller. Footwear is another detail most people ignore. The right shoes can subtly add height and improve how you carry yourself. Flat, worn-out shoes do the opposite. They make you look smaller and less structured. You don't need anything extreme. Just go for shoes with a slightly thicker sole and keep them clean. Even a small difference changes your overall presence. Your body shape matters too. If you carry extra fat, especially around your waist, your proportions change and you start looking shorter. On the other hand, a leaner physique makes your frame look longer and sharper. You don't need to be huge, just balanced. Focus on staying lean, building your shoulders, and maintaining good posture. And then there's your overall lifestyle. If you're smoking, drinking heavily, sleeping poorly, and not taking care of your body, especially at a younger age, it can affect your growth and overall development. Also, maintaining a healthy weight matters more than people think. Your body functions better when it's in balance. But here's where most people go wrong. They chase random grow taller tricks, weird routines, unrealistic promises, quick fixes that sound good, but don't actually change anything long term. The truth is, your body responds to consistency, not hacks. And more importantly, what people notice isn't just your height, it's how you carry it. If you want to start seeing a difference quickly, start tonight. Stand and sit with proper posture. Do a few minutes of stretching before bed. Avoid slouching on your phone. Eat clean, sleep properly. Even one day of doing this can make a visible difference. For the long term, keep it simple. Fix your posture daily, stay active, stretch regularly, eat well, sleep properly, maintain a lean physique, be intentional with your habits. These things compound over time. At the end of the day, height isn't just genetics, it's presentation. Two people with the same height can look completely different just based on posture, body, and habits. So instead of worrying about what you can't control, focus on what you can, because when you fix these things, you don't just look taller, you look sharper, more confident, and more put together. And that's what people actually notice.